All right, guys. Yeah, let's recap here. Give me 30 seconds. What's Bitcoin doing? All right. So let's just review. What did we do today? Long dollar Swissy off the lows. All right. So guys, this red lines for those that might be in uh, not familiar too. I try to draw my core positions and signal it on the chart just to see it a little bit easier and how it changes as you work the position. Um, oops. So a lot of times you'll be out of the money, and these deeper ads will move your average down. But this is adding and reducing, right? So last week we were a little bit overbought. Again, I've kind of covered this, but dollar Swissy, when we went from here, there's a nice bottoming tail here also right there. But from here to there, you were a little bit overbought. You don't even need an RSI to tell you that. But the cycle was high. But at the same time, you were taking out prior highs, so you're shifting this TMS to bullish. So after this move, I'm not surprised that we got this, but I like that we made a higher low here this morning. So I'm thinking this way into tomorrow and the next day. And so that was part of why we signaled buy this morning. Euro Kiwi just held pie over here, guys. Supposed to cover into that. So that's why I was buying down here at pie this morning. That was a pretty just simple trade. We just long here, contrarian long, looking for a turn on the 30-minute back here at pie, bounced. 30-minute cycle is high now, but we basically had a full cycle off the lows on the 30-minute. And then we punched out all of the day trade long here at the bands. The 50-minute cycle is pretty high. All right. And then a couple other Euro Kiwi we're playing on the short side. Still, of course, short that one. Just kind of playing this area. 30-minute cycle is high. 15-minute we're playing in front of pie short. Haven't really gone anywhere. Problem with this chart, guys, is that you got this trend that's bullish, but you have the bigger picture downtrend on the 30-minute. So you're kind of trapped between here and these lows. But we sold some, covered, reshort, cover. I think you can keep working this, guys, on the short side the rest of the day. You just want to use this as your risk. You don't want to get above pie here. If that happens, then start thinking about longs for Tokyo and into London. 15-minute cycle may turn up here. give it a few more minutes on that. Little bit of a tone shift with this 15-minute cycle. That was basically, we held the bands on the 5-minute, which is pi on the 1 minute. Anyway, you guys can keep trading that one around. And then what else did we do? Just some other bigger picture stuff, taking some longs off on the NASDAQ. Talked about maybe we trade back into these highs, but we were buyers last week down here. I think I'm going to actually punch out another lot up here. So anyways, guys, pretty good morning. What do you guys still have on? Guys, what trades do you guys still have on? How do we do this morning? Dollar longs, okay. I mean, you should have made a little bit of money if you're long dollar Swissy right from the get-go this morning when we came into the room. NASDAQ's doing well. It's Euro Kiwi, had a couple of spots to scalp around, make some money. Did you guys do pretty good this morning? Still short oil, Andrew, okay. Is everybody in the green? All right. I think we probably, you punch some NASDAQ out if you're long NASDAQ up here, Alex. I'm just gonna stay long with some calls and get out of all my futures. All right, guys, good stuff. I'm probably gonna be on a little earlier. I don't know if we'll do London tomorrow, right at 3 a.m. But I'll have Ritas let you guys know. Anyway, guys, good stuff. For those of you that are new, just keep working on those videos and write any questions down and we'll go over it. All right, you guys are welcome. Enjoy the rest of your trading day. We'll talk to you. All right, Dan. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Christine, good stuff. Later, Dave.